Hello, today I will be teaching you how to use the platform Kahoot. The website for this is www.kahoot.com. When you open the web page, you will see on the top right corner a green sign up button. I have already created an account, so I will go ahead and log in. Once you log in, it gives you an option on your right top corner which says Create. You click on the button and you pick the Kahoot option. You have the option of picking multiple themes. I will be picking the desert theme. My quiz is about suicide awareness and prevention. I will be selecting this desert theme, and then you have the option of selecting how you would like each slide to be presented. There are two standard options, which are quiz and true and false. I will be selecting the quiz option. I will type my question here. Then you will click on the correct answer so it stores it. And you are done with your first slide. You also have the option to insert media. I will go ahead and select an image that is already available through the website. And then you click on the Add Question button on the left side to add your next slide. I will be selecting a true and false question, true or false question. And I will be adding an image to this as well. You can continue adding questions by using the Add Question button to the left. And you can also, once done, save your game, put in a title. If you'd like, add a description and continue. There you go. I hope this helps.